Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want real-time AI automation in 2026, using Claude with webhooks is one of the most powerful and flexible methods available. It connects Claude to any app, trigger AI responses instantly, build advanced automation flows, and works with custom apps, CRMs, forms, and more. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to use Claude with webhooks in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, get your Claude API key. So this is crucial. So before using webhooks, you must log into Claude, open developer or API settings, generate a new API key, store it safely. The API key allows external apps to talk to Claude, okay? Now understand webhook structure. So a webhook sends data using endpoints, URL, request, method, usually post, headers, JSON body. So think of it as sending structured instructions to Claude, okay? So now your webhook can come from website form submission, CRM update, payments notification, chat system message, automation tools, or custom applications. So the webhook is what triggers Claude, okay? So configure webhook request to Claude. So you will send an HTTP post request to Claude API. Typical configuration includes method, endpoints, and headers, okay? So headers authenticate your request, okay? So thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.